Now there's 1,000,001 ways to design a multi-purpose room, but I think the key to a multi-purpose room is, what is the purpose?
Get in the game, I'm ready to...
We've just finished styling this property, and this was one of the very few spaces that we actually renovated. So if you can imagine, this was just a blank room. It actually used to be the trophy room of Mick Fanning. It's now no longer that. But what they actually wanted for this room was a space, so when they holiday let the property, it could be multi-purpose. So the purposes here were bedding, sleeping multiple people, and lounging, having somewhere where you could kick back, watch TV. What we actually did was draw, you can see these two arches here, we drew them on the back wall for the builder. And then we always knew that it was going to be pulled out, and this was going to be like the entrance or the arch that you walked through. But what we did was leave enough space so that the Luxaflex curtains could sit recessed behind, see the pelmet across the top. So it's just really neat and clean and nice, and you don't see any of the tracks, which is wonderful. Then it was kind of all about lighting. You kind of get into that styling lighting stage. So we knew we wanted to have some cute little features in this little nook, and the little alabaster disc from Beacon were perfect. We've got kind of that whole alabaster feel throughout the whole entire house. Down in the entrance, we've got it up in the lounge room and the dining room, in the bathroom as well, over the table tennis table as well. So we've put it there so it all kind of blends and marries in. And the other thing we did here, which is kind of cute, is we built in these niches, but in here tucked away is a power point so you can charge your phone. When they're not a lounge like this, they get converted to this.
Tonight we're gonna get crazy. Tonight we're gonna get crazy.
And Bob's your uncle, you have a sleeping space.
Get down, it's time to get busy. Spin round and drop and get dizzy.
So color choices are also a big thing. These is really quite organic. They're quite neutral, natural colors, but they've got some warmth in them. They've got some texture. So you've got linen, you've got the rattan, you've got those pops of green holiday over here. Artwork, artwork. I mean, this is just absolutely dreamy. It's just the most beautiful piece of art. But you can see what we did. Art was picked first here. So this color here comes through in the pillow here. We actually styled with an open book here, and it was because it had that little moment of sitting and staying, and that's kind of what this room is about. It's about relaxing, it's about escaping, it's about kicking back, lying back on one of the day beds and actually reading a book and looking at it. So although a tiny, tiny little thing, that was on purpose. So lots of styling choices here that make you feel like you can escape, get away, kick back, and just breathe.